Hey students, today we are going to discuss verb tenses. Verb tenses show when an action happens. Verb is basically some action or some kind of verb. Work like I am sleeping, I am eating. In these sentences, sleeping and eating are verb because they show some action, okay? We have three types of tenses: past tense, present tense, and future tense. Past tense, actions that already happened. Present tense, actions happening right now. Future tense, actions that will happen later. Okay, let's discuss these examples. Past tense, I played cricket yesterday. Played. This is a verb. Okay, and when we talking about something past, we simply use second form of verb like play, played, played. Second form of play is played, okay? I played cricket yesterday, and by reading this sentence you guys can know that we are talking about something that happened in past, okay? Present tense. I am playing cricket now. As you guys can see that when we're talking about something present, we use a helping verb like is, am, are, okay? I am playing cricket now. By reading this sentence, you guys can know that we are talking about something that happened in present. And future tense, I will play cricket tomorrow. It means that we are talking about something that will happen in future, okay? As you guys can see that am, will, they are basically the helping verb that shows that something happened in future, something happened in present, and something happened in past. When we're talking about past, we simply add second form of verb like played. We simply add ed, okay? But not for all forms of verb. Okay, which sentence is in the past tense? She eats lunch. She ate lunch. Yes, this one is the past tense because it shows that something happened in the past, okay? Identify the verb in this sentence. He played cricket. As I have told you that verb is basically some action or some kind of work. So in this sentence, played is a verb. Okay, what does future tense mean? The future tense is a verb form that expresses actions or events that will happen later. For example, I will attend the meeting tomorrow. Okay. Okay, regular past tense. I will show you all this through this diagram so you can understand it easily. Regular verbs. Okay. Regular verb form their past tense by adding ed to the base verb. Like our base verb is in this sentence is play. We simply add ed to it, okay? What are regular verbs? Regular verbs are very easy. To make them past tense, we usually add ed to the base verb. For example, play becomes played, jump becomes jumped, clean becomes cleaned. Okay, we have special rules for the regular verbs. The first one is if the verb ends in e, just add d. Like bake end in e. We simply becomes baked. Live become lived. Okay. The second one is if the verb ends in the consonant plus y, change y to I and add ed. Like carry becomes carried. Study becomes studied. Okay. If the verb ends in the consonant vowel consonant, double the last letter and add ed. Like stop becomes stopped. Plan becomes planned. Okay? Okay, guys, this is your fun activity of the regular past tense verb. Write three sentences using regular past tense verb. Share your sentence and identify the base verb in each sentence. Okay? You have to do this assignment. Okay? The next one, it is a flow diagram. Okay, we have base verb and we have two conditions. Does the verb end with E and does the verb end with consonant plus Y? Okay, if the verb end with E, we simply add D to the end. Like bake becomes baked. Okay, if no, then add ed like jump becomes jumped. Okay. If the verb ends with consonant plus y, if yes, then change y to I and add ed, like carry becomes carried. And if no, double the last consonant and add ed, like stop becomes stopped. Okay? Okay, irregular past tense verb. I will show you this through this. Okay. What are irregular verbs? Irregular verbs are special verbs. They do not follow the ed rules like regular verbs. Okay? We cannot just add ed, they change in different ways. Okay. Like types of irregular verbs are, some verbs change into a totally new word. Like we can't add ed at the end of the verb. We simply change the whole verb. Like go becomes went, run becomes ran, see becomes saw. Okay? For example, I went to the park. This show that something that happened in past. Okay? She ran fast. As you guys can see that we simply change the whole verb. Okay? Some verbs change a little bit, like have become had, make become made, say become said. Okay? For example, he had lunch at 1 p.m. She made a cake. Okay? These all sentences show that something that happened in past. Okay? Had, made, we use, like in past tense, we simply use second form of verb. Okay? Had, she made. Okay? And some verbs stay the same, like they don't change. Cut becomes cut, put becomes put, hit becomes hit. For example, I cut the paper, she put the book on the table. Okay? Irregular past tense verbs. Irregular verbs form their past tense in a unique way. They either change completely, partially, or remain the same. And they don't follow the standard rule. Like go becomes went, have becomes had, cut becomes cut. Okay? Verb matching challenge. Okay. These are the list of regular verbs and their corresponding list of past tense forms. Okay. Go becomes went, run become ran, have become had, eat become ate, and see becomes saw. Okay.